Emotional architecture. There is a structure inside you, not made of steel, not built with hands, but constructed piece by piece over time. Your emotional architecture, every experience you've ever had, every word that lingered longer than it should, every silence that said too much, they didn't just pass through you, they built something. A corridor of memories, walls reinforced with beliefs, windows shaped by perception, and somewhere deep within, rooms you rarely enter. Some of those rooms are warm, filled with laughter, connection, belonging. Others, locked, not because they don't matter, but because they matter too much. This is the truth most people never realize. You are not just feeling emotions. You are living inside the structure they built. Think about it. Why do certain words trigger you? Why do certain people feel familiar when they shouldn't? Why do you react before you even understand why? Because your architecture is already designed to respond that way. Not randomly, but precisely. Your mind follows the blueprint it was given. And your emotions? They are the architects. But here's where it changes. Architecture can be redesigned. You can walk back into those locked rooms, not to relive them, but to understand them. You can examine the cracks in your walls, places where fear reinforced itself, where doubt became structural. And then, you can choose differently. You can tear down what no longer protects you. You can rebuild what once confined you. You can open spaces where there was once only pressure. Because emotional strength is not about having unbreakable walls. It's about having flexible design. A space where emotions can move, where pain doesn't stay trapped, where joy doesn't feel unfamiliar. Most people try to escape their emotions, but the ones who truly evolve, they study them, they redesign them, they live consciously within them. So the next time you feel something, don't just ask, "Why do I feel this?" Ask, "What part of my architecture created this?" And more importantly, what am I ready to rebuild? Because in the end, you are not just the one inside the structure, you are the architect.